Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Today we will discuss about a cyber crime. What is cyber crime? Just like a regular crime, it is also exists on the internet. Here are the some example of the cyber crime: identity theft, online predator, business email companies, ransomware, stealing of sensitive intellectual properties. Increasing cybercrime has been increasing regularly every years. Why cybercrime on the rise? There are the some reasons. Cybercrime is easy to accomplish, low risk of getting caught for little work. There is often high return. Attacker can target thousands of victims. Money laundering is easier with the cryptocurrencies. Challenge like identify theft can have the significant consequence on the individual, causing not only the potential of financial losses but also a lot of the personal grief. The internet offers many servicing facilities. Money laundering usually making it a trivial process. Money is a exchange in the cryptocurrency service such as the tumblers make it hard to track the money. Tumblr are the service which split up the cryptocurrency transaction and forward the money through many accounts. Cyber criminal. Who are cyber criminal? State the response group targeting the organization in other countries, hacking groups out to the target companies to make them pay ransom, kids in their rooms doing illegal hacking. Note: cryptocurrency is the money represent in the digital form instead of physical. Catching cybercrime. Catching cybercrime is another task. Cybercrime can stay anonymous with the trivial means and the typically easy to avoid getting caught. When attacker do get caught, it often catch because of mistake made by the attacker themselves. For example, as a result of becoming complaints, there is also the great deal of potential of law enforcement to use the cause cyber criminal. Law enforcement do however have many challenges in tracking down cybercrime. You might see attack traffic coming in from a system residing in UK, and when the taking down it in the system, you realize it was the being remotely controlled by the EG, another system in India. Cooperating with the law enforcement across the borders, you might be able to get the system in India, but only to realize it was the again remotely controlled through EG Pakistan. Here are the example of the cyber criminal. Hope so you understand very best. Increasing crime, cyber crime, and it has many cyber criminal. And let's discuss something about the cryptocurrency is the money represented the digital form instead of physical. There are the many different cryptocurrencies. Some very widespread like Bitcoin and others small and unknown to the most people. These currency model released on strong cryptographic and public ledger system to keep track of the transaction and how much currency is on the market. Hope you understand. Thank you so much.